We have 3 days to do a $500 makeover on my parents' half bathroom. And when we last left off, we did a little bit of demo, we did a lot of planning, as well as going shopping for the decor in her room. You guys, we are really just ramping up and getting started on this project. So follow us along as we go ahead and turn my parents' forgotten bathroom into a work of art. All the man is making us do gold pipes. And I know he out there painted already.
I sure did.
I knew he was gonna be doing it. First steps up is that we need to prime these walls. Now I got the primer tinted because I knew that we were doing a black base. Now my mother also had the other half of her kitchenette that she wanted to get her flooring done. So while my husband took over painting, I went ahead and started on finishing the flooring in her kitchenette. Now, if you don't already know, my mom also has some ADA limitations, so being able to just use some peel and stick flooring is easier for her to be able to access everything. Okay, so primer has been applied. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a 1x4 at the bottom, and then we're going to pull out pieces up. I haven't actually measured the pieces yet to make sure they're going to be even, but we're going to put the pieces up, and then there's going to be a 1x4 on the top. I wanted for it to be like this high, but honestly it's looking like it's going to be closer to like here. So I guess my only hesitation, worry is that we won't have enough wallpaper. Like I said, it was expensive wallpaper, and you had to buy a double roll, so it still cost us like $150 just for the wallpaper. And this is supposed to be a budget thing, but I really like the wallpaper. Do you want to see the wallpaper? I think I showed you. Did I show you on this video? I don't know, but I'm gonna show you the wallpaper. And here's the wallpaper. So I love it. Of course, it doesn't look like it goes right now, but this is gonna go black in a second. But either way, we need to measure and cut so that way we can go ahead and start our boards. Once the boards are up, then we're gonna go ahead and paint it, and that's when everything is gonna go black. And thanks to this being dark, I think it'd actually be okay that we just have the primer up. That my order from Amazon wasn't gonna make it here, but it's here. So my Amazon order just came in, and I'm super excited because not only did it contain the light for the bathroom, but it also contained a new faucet. I decided I didn't want to just have just a regular schmegular. So the faucet that came with the actual sink was stainless steel, and I just didn't feel like that was the right move for this. So I ordered a black one. Now, as you will see, it does look like a traditional kitchen. My husband was a little worried that it wasn't gonna fit. So as long as it fits into the hole. He was like, oh, it don't look like a burglar. You know. It's gonna fit. I'm so excited. This is a tall faucet though. It might be too tall. I feel like the other one was tall too. You remember, this is actually a utility sink that we're using, so we're going a little industrial with it. It's going to be a little different. I mean, it'll come down a little bit. I still have like the rings on here. I don't want to take those off. So it'll come down a few more inches. Girl, we're going to play this by ear. So this is the one we had in like the old house. And literally, I loved it so much. I was like, well, if it worked for there, it'll work for this. And that's why I bought it again. And because we're looking for budget options, it was only like $35 or something like that. People be sleeping on Amazon for kitchen fixtures, but they be good to go, honestly. All right, so that's that. And then next would be the light fixture. Again, looking for a budget find. So let me just keep repeating that. Has to be a budget find. This light fixture was only $50. It feels a bit modern to me, but I think it can still work. So let's see it. Like, it's modern, but I feel like it'll be different. So it'll be like, oh, okay. We got a lot of things happening in this bathroom. It's pretty though. It is really pretty though. It's cute. I want it to be small. This, and then like the rings light up, and then I think you can actually turn this. Yep, I feel it turning. One, there. How cute! I actually really like it. It's a good size too. As long as it can be shorter than this, we'll be good to go. If it requires me, and I don't think it does, I think we can make it really short, so that'll be good. Because we needed to hang around like just this much or so. Just a little scooch. This would be so cute. Oh, cool. Technology, y'all. Look at that. Look. And then it just goes back flat. So if you really wanted just flat rings, you could. I don't know why you would, but you could if you wanted to. All right, so we're waiting for the paint to dry, and then we can start with the black. I did just bring back down the black paint, didn't I? Or did I get distracted again? I don't know. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. So next week we'll get to painting everything black, and we'll get to installing the wallpaper. You guys, we're so close to the reveal. I cannot wait for you to see it, and I hope you guys will come back next time. If you have not already, please comment and subscribe. Tell me how you're liking this new series, and I will see you all next Sunday.